Now I get it, why we have the 3 pillars of Lent: prayer, fasting, and almsgiving. What are they for? These are helps for us to be detached, for us to let go. Prayer, learn to let go, learn to be detached from your time in social media so that you get to spend time praying with the Lord. Fasting, learn to let go, learn to detach yourself from pleasures, masasarap, so that you will hunger more for the presence of God. Almsgiving, learn to detach, learn to let go your prized possessions to provide for the needy para gumaan-gaan po tayo. At kapag tayo matuto ng maging magaan, meron tayong langit na kahihinatnan. So my dear brothers and sisters, our readings teaches us one simple thing this day. Learn to let go. Learn to detach of your material possessions. Learn to provide for the needy. Otherwise, if we get too attached from it, we get too attached to it, we might imitate the rich man in the gospel who went to the netherworld because the weight of his attachments pulled him down. Learn to be like Lazarus, magaan, hindi nakatali, kaya mabilis siyang nakaakyat sa kalangitan. Amen.